Welcome to ZZZ TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
This was the street where I was raised, right? Behind you is Ilezi. Nnamdi Azikiwe built this house. This is where I used to live. I was one of the first settlers in this area of Lagos, and it's a community that has been built based on, the Lagosian, the indigenous Lagosian is welcoming. It's not tribal. It's exposed, and that's why Lagos State could become the center of excellence. But unfortunately, the APC government takes its strength from division, violence, intimidation, and this is what they've done for almost 2 decades. So, by God's grace, the will of the people will prevail, and this government that gets its validity based on voter intimidation will be a thing of the past.
From the information you got from your party agents, how will you describe and assess this conduct of the election?
There's been a lot of targeted voter suppression. Currently now at VGC, the polling agents do not want to go into the estate. Instead, they are trying to get people to come to the express, where they've colluded with thugs to harass and disenfranchise them. So that's already an illegal thing, because INEC, the police have an address, they have a location, and this is not on the highway. So we are working to respond to that. But you see, this just puts the entire exercise, the credibility of it into question. You have a situation where in Alimosho, in Iba, till 10 minutes ago when I checked, polling materials have not arrived. So you find that everywhere that we are strong and we show strength, either polling materials are yet to arrive. You have a situation where in Alimosho, the polling agents, the polling ESCOs, the EOs for the polling are saying that they were not paid the last time, so they are not going to the field. But how does that concern us? INEC has been funded to do all of these things. So it's a ploy just to try to manipulate the election. So,
like I said earlier, if you don't win this election, will you definitely congratulate the winner?
In an election you must win and win well. I'm not somebody that comes out and pulls back punches. You must win and win well. There must be transmission of votes, which is the electronic procedure. There must be a situation where this voter intimidation is corrected, right? And there must be a clear attempt by INEC to actually have a credible election. If that's not the case, I'm not congratulating someone that has this mandate from voter suppression and intimidation. Why would I do that? I'll go to court.
Okay, so what